everyone, welcome back to Skincare and Beauty with PerkiPerkins. So as you can see, today I have a very special guest as we both do the December AdoreMe unboxing. Me and my daughter Annie will be actually sharing some of our choices, some of our picks for holiday gifts. Maybe it gives you a few ideas for recommendations, everything from lingerie, loungewear, activewear, and even some cozy attire. Make sure you guys keep on watching. If you guys do end up loving the video, we would both greatly appreciate if you guys gave us a big old thumbs up, along with maybe a little comment, and we would be forever grateful if you guys would subscribe to the channel. But anyways, we have a humongous box. So let's get started with this video. Let's go. Alright, so as you guys can see, we have a huge box, you guys. Like, it covers both of us up. It's as big as my bench that we're sitting on. So we're gonna put this baby down. There we go. Yeah, me and my daughter went to town when it comes to making choices. She's been wanting to get me to film it for days. Like, Annie's been asking me for days to film the video. She's like, Mommy, when are you filming? Mom, when are you filming? Mom, can I get my stuff now? Mom, you know, all those things, because she has some goodies that she was able to pick up for herself. But we also have some goodies that we picked up for our family. So, you know, let's get to it. Let's start right away. This girl also lives in AdoreMe attire. This is the cute little sweater we picked out like a month or two ago. Her under blouse is also from AdoreMe. Earlier for today for school, AdoreMe. Her jogger pants, they're called joggers. They're from AdoreMe. Like 24/7, we literally live in AdoreMe attire. And the way I've been lately, I keep on recommending it to all my family and friends because I know they're gonna love it as much as we do. But anyways, let's pull up some of the first items that we picked up. Annie just pulled out the Ontario jacket in large. This is a very nice lightweight jacket with a zipper, and it kind of is adjustable at the waist side, and it is super cute. And again, it has nice little hand things and whatnot, so it can be a little bit more fit. It's very like sporty, casual kind of vibes. And then me, the first item I'm pulling up is actually the robe.
I pulled out this.
This is for Grandma. I think we got that from Mal. So this right here is the Anabell robe, you guys. This is that very soft plush material. And let me get up. And this goes just below my knee, so it's not all the way down, but it's not like super long. So I personally love that. And it has little pockets, of course, and then your little tassel. It has like a really nice, cool, fun, like long, bigger collar in the neck, so it makes it look more trendy. This is such a pretty color. And then the material inside is this really nice, kind of like soft, super soft cotton inside, so you're not going to feel like itchy or anything like that. So this is the Layla lounge set.
Look at this top. It's actually really soft.
This is a super soft like waffle top. Feels like cotton. Oh my gosh. And this is a particular style that it's considered kind of like lounge activewear because it's a very nice thicker material. It has like a little bit of a wide leg, but not super wide leg at the bottom. So if you wanted to do little errands and whatnot, it doesn't look like straight up pajamas. And this is a really nice kind of like pale orange, which is very in trend right now, color. This is so cute. We'll see. Man, we might end up keeping more stuff again. We're so greedy, aren't we? So this, again, it's a very soft, kind of like plushy material. It's a pullover jacket with the 1/3 or 1/4 zipper right here. And it's really nice detailing. It's so comfortable. I like this style so much. So it's a very nice plushie, and then it has a little pocket in its tummy area. And again, it has a very nice kind of like, what is it called? Sherbet wool. It's very nice and soft material, and it's not like falling off and all that fun stuff like others do. So we got the cream color, and we also got the greenish color. You open yours.
I got this one. Which one? This like a bodysuit.
So that's the Guilia bodysuit.
I like the color.
This is the Guilia bodysuit, which is actually meant to be cooling, slimming. Has a very nice material, and it's ribbed, and it's very cute with the little buttons in the front. This this bluish color is very popular. It almost matches our back wall.
Yeah. This is the Sierra sweater. I like the color. I've always liked like burgundy color.
She likes the more darker, richer colors. And again, it has the little pocket. It's very, oh my gosh, this material feels so freaking good. Honestly, every single garment we've ever received from AdoreMe has such amazing quality. We wash them a lot because again, we use their products every day, and they're just really, really good. They've been holding their colors with no issue. And again, the pocket, and it says vibing in this, vibing and thriving. That definitely fits us. Vibing and thriving. Again, the green color, which isn't this super cute.
Reminds me of the Grinch.
Mommy's gonna be the Grinch, because this is the color I want to keep. It is so freaking cute. I love it. Oh, that's the Jasmine Jumpsuit. Yeah, they do. Again, AdoreMe offers virtually everything. Yeah, it's the overalls. These are the Jasmine Jumpsuit in extra large. Well, now you know.
You know how much I like it.
And then this is a little top. Open your shirt. I'll show you guys pants while she opens the shirt, because she's only looking for her stuff. Can you guys tell? She's like boom, boom. Anywho, so again, these are the Jasmine girls material. Again, it's kind of like a jean material. Feels very nice. Let me pull these up. It has a cute little pocket. It has that dark denim. And then it has little pockets here. That's kind of weird, but I can see it working. And it has like a straight or wide leg pant, which is nice. And this is why I really like these, because of the back. The back is very cute. It's more of a squared off. It's a little bit higher, so it's not like on your low back like most others. And you still have a pocket on the back right side of your tushy. And it has these cute little buttons on the side.
So this is my top. It's like a nice purple. I like it really very much. What's it called? Oh, it does?
This is the Jojo Unlined Plus. So as she was mentioning, she really likes the color. It's meant to be like an undershirt slash bralette, because it has these little unlined here. So it kind of just, you know, you're comfortable. You can be around the house without worrying about, you know, things flying. And it does have adjustable straps, which is great. She actually has already the pants that go with it. So that's right. This is the piece she's been most excited for probably, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah. She's been picking everything the lavender color, and well, I've been getting everything in the blue. So she's opening the Basha pants, and then I just opened the Cate like turtleneck sweater. This is adorable.
I have the same pants.
She has the same pants. I really liked how they look, so I wanted a pair too. You can see the little waist part. It has a little bit of a higher waistband. But then you go down and it has the really wide leg right here. And then it has this open slit on the side. This is like very popular yoga kind of lounge wear. And again, the material is very, very good. It has like this little built-in inside to kind of like keep everything held up. I know when she first got her set, I think you used them for like 2-3 days in a row, because we were like on Thanksgiving vacation. Yeah. So she almost used them every day because she liked them so much. But again, very nice, breathable material. Great for around the house or again, a quick run to the store. Definitely a great gift for anyone in your family. Oh, here we go. You can easily see now how wide the bottom leg is.
They're comfortable.
They're very comfortable. Okay. Now this right here is the Cate sweater. I got this in burgundy back in early November-ish, I believe. And it was so nice. I had to get another one. So I got the gray. This is actually what is really neat. I found out that, you know, by reading the sign, these are actually made with like recycled materials from what I understand. So again, this is made out of recycled fibers. This is a really cool kind of gray tone. And the arms are gray.
It's really soft on the inside too.
Oh my god, ultra soft. And this is actually like a turtleneck sweater. So you can roll it down. When I was really cold one day, we hit the cold, I actually pulled it up over my ears and closed it because I was so cold and I had no beanie or thicker jacket. And it also has like for your waist side, because you know, put your hands in your pocket, has a slit too.
These are pantalones.
Chores.
Chores?
Chores.
Oh.
These are super cute shorts. They're just like the wide leg pants. And they have, again, really nice materials. And just like the song, they got pockets. Ain't got pockets. I love pockets. It needs to have pockets. Isn't it a cute color? It has pockets, really cute waistband. Now she's looking at me and I look like, dang it, I should have gotten it too. Because I asked you too, didn't I?
asked for some, didn't I?
No, you didn't. You said no, you have enough shorts. We'll probably get them the next time.
Yeah.
But yeah, these are super cute. They're kind of like a high-waisted, so that I can have it a little bit showing more leg. Or, you know, in my case, I'll probably put them down a little bit and cover more leg. Essentials top.
Oh, this is a nice material. Yellow.
Yeah. So this is from the AdoreMe sister brand, the Cool Ibrium. This line in particular is made for, how should I put it? For basically women that maybe are going through changes and have some hotness. And I've been going through those things as of late, and many of nights I wake up drenched in sweat. Sometimes I'm fine. So it kind of like gives you that more balanced feel, especially while, you know, anyone that's going through menopause or premenopause, you understand what I'm saying. So yeah. So I saw this. It's available in 3 colors. It's a little bit on the longer side, so it goes under your waist, which that's one of my pet peeves when shirts are so short nowadays. And they had undies too, which I did get 2 pairs before. It's just, you know, I'm not sharing it here, but I did get 2 undies. And again, the material is so nice and breathable. I really enjoy them. So again, the nice thing about AdoreMe's lingerie, majority of the lingerie always comes as a set. You get your top, your bra, bralette, whatever, and you get to pick a bottom. Usually you have the choice, a couple different choices, and so this one happens to be like a contour bralette. It has very beautiful detailing. And it has a little cuteness right here. It's like a lavenderish pink, huh? It's like a unique color.
Cotton candy.
Cotton candy, that's a good one. And the waistband, it has really nice secure clasp. And this one is not overly padded, which is great.
Padding annoys me.
Padding annoys both of us. Like, less padding the better, because otherwise it's like, you're shifting your whole body just to get it back into place. And again, you get really nice adjustment, and it has the little metal clasp right there. So she picked bikini bottoms.
SpongeBob. What? It was called Bikini Bottom.
Bikini bottom from SpongeBob, yeah.
Yeah.
So these are very pretty. Okay, she can put them down now. So they also had when I purchased, they had a sale like 5 for $25 or something like that on the undies, on like the more cotton style ones. So I picked 5 because I'm trying to get rid of all my old stuff. So I'm just going to show these, and then I'll type the name on the screen. But this has a little bit more of a high waist because it has the little lacy right there. Hope you guys can see that. It has lace. It's kind of like a brief style. It's very nice material. It feels great. Nymphadora, whatever. And the other one is Diara.
And it has extra clasps on the back to make it, I guess, more secure, which is also really nice. The same thing too with the last one. The padding's actually really good. Yeah, the padding's not too thick or like intrusive. It's actually like, you know how normal padding is. It annoys you.
Some padding could be overly
annoying.
Yeah. Like the push-up bra padding, that's horrible. We hate that. These are like the boy shorts or whatever. The boy short style. Super cute. As you see, I got a lot of black. Blue. Like a bluish gray. To kind of match, I got that to match the top actually. I chose the little pink brief. And then like some really sleek looking ones. It says, oh, these are from the Earth Republic series. I didn't even realize that. But they're like supposed to be like seamless kind of style. I didn't realize that till now. But they look cool. So we'll see how that goes. Hopefully they don't run down my butt. Those are all our choices for this holiday season. And again, there's a lot of goodies in there for gifts for our family and friends. And for my daughter, you know, she always gets a few little dibs, right? Otherwise she'd be like, but again, a lot of great choices for you guys to give you guys ideas of what AdoreMe has to offer. I purchased while AdoreMe was running their Black Friday sales, but I do know as of now they've actually, because now it's December, so they've actually expanded their catalogs and added a lot more of their winter holiday products. So there's definitely a lot more to choose from, more colors, more styles, and more sales, of course. But just so you guys know, AdoreMe does give me a amazing discount where you guys can get your very first AdoreMe either lingerie or lounge set for $24. That's amazing because normally AdoreMe's sets run from like $40 to $50, you know, $39.99 to $49.99 kind of vibe. So again, being able to get your very first set for $24, that's a steal, and that gets you into AdoreMe so you can try them out. And they do have a wonderful return policy where if you don't like something, you do have time to contact them and request an exchange or a refund, which again, especially with online shopping, sometimes you really want the security and the fact that if something's not going to work for you, you're going to be able to return it. Because guess what? Sometimes we order stuff online and it just doesn't work. Whether the sizing is different or we just didn't like how it felt on us. You know, again, we kept on talking about the cups because we don't like certain types of bra cups. Yeah, it's a nice option. Now, I forgot to mention this in the beginning, but my products were all gifted to me by AdoreMe. I do get monthly PR from AdoreMe, which I am and we are very grateful. So thank you, AdoreMe.
Yes, thank you.
Thank you. Everyone in my family, thanks you, AdoreMe. But this is not a sponsored video. Again, this is just gifted PR where we give you guys our review. But thank you again, everyone, so much for your time. And if you guys made it this far, we'd greatly appreciate if you guys hit that like button and maybe leave me a comment. Let me know if you've tried AdoreMe, or maybe this will be the day you guys give it a chance. And also, I do have a link down below with my current giveaway. It has a few more days. It has about a week left at this point, and you definitely want to enter. But anyways, thank you all so much. We greatly appreciate each and every one of you. Take care, be safe, and we'll catch you on the next one. Bye. Bye.